Hello, this is another day, and I am going to analyze another niche. Before going to discuss about another niche or analysis another niche, I am thinking about why not to uh, discuss about a tree. Before going to start a video or analysis, I will discuss a I will discuss a tree or a vegetable. um, I actually want you to plant that tree or vegetable. um, I strongly believe that each person or everyone should have a space at least 5 by 5 square feet, it could be, or 10 square, or 6 into 5 square feet, 6 into 5 feet. um, and where you should plant tree each day or every day or once a week. It won't take you long time, um, not much time, maybe 20 minutes per day, but you are not only making your um, own vegetables, but you are contributing to the green environment too and organic environment too. So today, I actually started this type of content in Bangla, and then I made a list of vegetables or and plants. Or after Before going to start any video, I always mention a tree or vegetable name, and I encourage my viewers to plant that. So we'll follow the same style here. So let me check it out that with on some tree or vegetable we have today. So not like this one, maybe this one. Okay, so let me check. Here is a list of triple on type of vegetables or trees. So today I'm going to it's lal shak, but it's taking as reddish. I'm not sure, but let me search it here. And I'm talking about this. uh, I'm not sure what is called in English, but here in Bangla it's called lal shak. So let me show you some images so you can understand and plant it on your own space. Okay. By the way, from my own experience, this lal shak could be planted in a minimum level of care. You just throw the seed and it will grow like that in our area, where I live in. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about or analysis about architecture farms. I did a let me correct the spell. F-I-R-S, farms. So basically what we do here, I have collected information about 5,000 plus architecture firms in USA, from different states, and then I did the analysis on do they have phone number, Facebook address, I mean social media, phone, email address with website or something like that. um, I strongly believe that when you start a business, you must have some basic um, uh, digital uh, platforms that you should have ensured that you are using them. Okay. I find that most of the time people concerned about Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram, but they didn't uh, but they most of the time don't try to use all of these platforms. If you focus on a single platform, that means you are um, marketing your products or services to a single platform. But when you start to work on a different platform, that means you are starting more conversion leads or visitors. So it's not be wise to miss any platforms, or it won't be a wise decision that you are only focusing on Instagram, that you are selling um, fashion products. Okay. And you are selling tech products, that means you are going to use only LinkedIn. It's not be a good strategy. So mm, uh, uh, let's start with but let me give you an example. What is this data about? This is rating. By the way, I have collected all this information from Google Maps. uh, I just going to Maps Google, and then I type architecture service in Virginia. Then it has come up with um, maybe 100 results, and then I have collected all the information like website, rating, reviews, name, their phone number, and their physical address. Then I collected their information from their website, like Facebook address, mm, email address, mm, and I just found that this website doesn't have any social media address. Yes. They are not using any social media address. Do you I'm sure that you will completely agree with me that if you are not if mm, uh, these farms this farm are missing opportunities to get more clients. And of course, if they want to get more clients, uh, more leads and conversion, of course they should use social media. Okay. And they have a professional email address. Yes, they have a professional mail address, and of course they have, and it's good to say that they have uh, they have added it with a mail too, that means HTML tag. So it's a good sign. So I have collected this information like this way, and then I have started to analysis, and based on that information I have created the chart, bar chart, and few of them are stack charts. So I think this will help you to understand that how uh, how you should work on your architecture, or digital existence could be uh, what will be like that. So you can take your own decision, and make it more visible to more customers. Okay, let's start with rating. You know that Google Maps shows a rating here. So I have made a chart. Let me show it. So here is the average rating, uh, and it is sorted by uh, most to least. So here we are seeing that Alabama has the highest rating, and it's 4.25. Uh, sorry, 4.85, and least the Hawaii, and it's 4.38. So if you are planning to start a business, architects farm in this area, you must ensure that you must ensure that your farm's rating is above the 4.85. Okay, or uh, let's assume that you are going to start a business in Kentucky or Florida. Let's assume that you are going to start a business in Florida, and it's showing that 4.73. That means you are if you are from Florida, then you must have to ensure that your rating is at least 4.73. But in but I if I run that business, I must try to ensure that my rating is above 4.85, because people all over the if we consider all over the state, all over the country, then I will found that Alabama has got the highest rating, 4.85. That means I must ensure that I am getting always 4 point above the 4.85. So if we get 4.73 above, it's very normal that we could get better position in Florida. But if we consistently maintain the rating is 4.85, above 4.85, that there is a probability that we are getting a better position in compare in the all over the country. Okay, when you compare it all over the country, so you must ensure that you are getting the better rating, uh, um, and of course it should be above the Alabama. So let me take the reviews, it will be more handy. Okay, so we are taking the example as Florida. Let me show it where it is Florida. uh, the the farms who are working on architecture farms who are working on Florida, they have at least they have average 8 reviews. Okay, so if so you must try to get more than 8 reviews here in Florida, and ensure that your rating is above 4.85. But sorry, 4.73 plus. But if you take a look on the all states, and we are getting that one state has the average rating, average reviews 75. That means each of these farms are working on these states are getting more and more reviews than other states. So your target is 75 plus and 4.85 plus rating if you want to work on this architecture industry and get more clients and ensure you are getting the better ROI. So by the way, I will give you a chart later of this video, so you can find yourself. Let's assume that you are from Texas. So Texas, oh, it's a different one. And here I'm on this video I'm trying to on this chart I'm trying to figure it out that how many percentage of architecture industry are using Facebook. So let's assume I'm going to check the Texas, and it's showing that almost 30% are not using Facebook. And here in Hawaii, almost 61%, not almost, it's 61%, 1% are not using Facebook, so to promote their services. And you know that they are missing the opportunity. So why you should do that? You must ensure that you are not missing the opportunity. Let's count or check the other platform, social media platform only. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. We have already opened Facebook, so we we okay. Even though this chart is a little bit bigger, so I can't open it all in a single window. So how could I check it? But okay, let's check it out one by one. In Instagram, here Connecticut, it's showing that the highest number of Instagram user in the architects, and lowest is West Virginia. By the way, you can if you really want to know about your state, you can pause the video and check it. uh, and here is the LinkedIn. I was expecting that most of the uh, business owners in architecture will use the LinkedIn at least, because you know that it's a professional platform, social media platform, and most of the people are who are business minded are actively involved in LinkedIn. So but I'm not sure why still almost 84% architecture firms are not using LinkedIn. It's sad. And as I always say that they are completely missing the opportunity. My goodness. Alaska, they are not, none of them of the architecture firm in Alaska are using Twitter, who are already listed in GMB, Google My Business. I think after, if any of them from Alaska and watching this video, after this video they will start using Twitter too. Actually, I found that most of the people or business owners are not interested to use all platforms, because they think that it's a time consuming job. And when you start to use all of these 5 or 6 platforms, it will be uh, it needs more time. But I don't think like that way. Most of the time I find that they excuse about YouTube video. It takes more time to edit it. I don't think you should edit. um, it doesn't take much time, because you can put or publish the raw video too. You just need to, if you want, then you can do that. It's very simple. It's very simple. um, and here I'm trying to show with the email. That means the percentage of website or business owners who has um, at least a professional business and put it on their website. Okay, I found that most of the time people um, put a contact form, but I sometimes avoid to contact with contact form, but I love to contact with social media sometimes or through mail. I think it's very useful to me. So you can call me that it's not professional, but you will find some people like me who are not interested to uh, contact with contact through phone number or contact form, even the social media, but love to contact with email. So if it's a negligible percentage, then you are still missing that negligible amount of opportunities, and you don't know that negligible, from that negligible amount of percentage, you are not going to get any clients or not. So it's not a good to miss that miss that opportunity. You just need to make a professional use a professional email and put it on your website. So I am consistently mentioning about the website. Let's see about the website data here. So how many percentage are you have at least a professional website? uh, we found that most of the states, Oklahoma it's 100%, Washington 100%, Connecticut 100%, New York 99.2. It's really good, because most of the um, uh, but I sadly I found that uh, a few they have website, but they are not maintaining it professionally. Like, they they just put it on a website and did not maintain it just like that. But they should maintain it, they should update it regularly. um, the better you update it with your current work, current portfolio, you are you are presenting yourself better to new clients and new customers, even your existing customers. So um, surprisingly, California almost 38% firms don't have uh, website, and it's not listed in the Google My Business Page too. Okay, I forget to mention that. You know that this website I have collected this from Google My Business Page. That means when if we take this California, we'll just we found that it's not showing the pure data. Sometimes it's not showing all the result. It takes time. Okay, let's see that these website, I'm just randomly checking their data. It's showing that it's not a secure data, sorry, secure website, not secure. You know, it it of course it's not good. Okay, if I see any website like this, I will close the tab without any hesitation. Okay, so you must ensure that your website is not only live, but it also secure with HTTPS, and add your social media, phone number, your email, and your recent project there, portfolio. You know, it will help you to ensure that your uh, visitors or clients that you are professional and you have the capability to complete their job or complete their task. So and okay, I wrote a I have written a blog post on this. So from there you can easily check your state and okay, it's here. So it will let me take it to Google Chrome. Maybe it will give it okay. So you can easily check it from here that your data, your state data, and if you are from Alabama, then here I have included the chart on different data, and then I have also added a table so you can compare yourself in if you are from Alabama that average rating average reviews is 5.75 57 in Alabama, but in the overall all states when if you compare it and it's 12.86, that means you should at least get 13 compared to the um, all states. So you can take it your take it as your goal, and I am thinking to add the highest here. From the next time I will try to add the highest, so you can set it your goal as um, like I need to get 1000 reviews, and always it should be 5 star like this. Twitter only 20% users are architect services firms are using Twitters. In Alabama it's 12.50. So it's better that you have a professional Twitter profile, and you will get here for all state. Okay, so I'm pretty confident that if you check this video if you check this data, and it will help you to figure it out that what you are missing and what you should work on to get better impression, better lead, and more clients. So by the way, it's a continuous process. I know that to develop a business, it's a continuous process. It takes time. It needs more time, but you need to understand that it's not all about that you are consistently investing time, but not with a strategy, with analysis your current competitors, their strong zone, their weak zone, and you are not developing or taking the opportunity on your competitors weak zone. So it's better to deal with data and consistently know your competitors. So in the better you know about your competitors, the better you understand your business. And so and when you understand that or figure it out that what is their weak zone, you just um, ensure that you are better than that. That's it. It's very simple. So you just you must uh, spend at least 1 hour, at least ensure that you are spending 1 hour to think about your competitors and find it out what they are doing and what they are mistakenly doing, so you can take that opportunity and ensure you are getting better. So it's a just a database focused or data focused video I will try to publish on 1 or 2 per week. So you can check um, other um, other niches and get the idea how you should work on your niches. Okay. By the way, don't forget to plant that um, lal shak that I mentioned at the first. The vegetable. I'm not sure, still not sure that what is called in English. So I'm going to uh, sorry, lal shak. Here is that. You please just buy some seeds and throw it on your special area. As I said that this person should have a special area to plant vegetables. um, it could be 6 feet long and 5 feet width, so it's up to you uh, how much area you can manage, or um, how much area you have. So best wishes for your business and for the team. Bye bye.